Right now, we're seeing a notable sentiment score of plus 0.48 in renewable energy, which is a significant uptick compared to our historical baseline. This suggests a growing optimism, despite a 24-hour momentum dip of minus 0.34, indicating potential volatility ahead. With 15 semantic clusters emerging, it's clear that conversations around renewable energy are evolving rapidly. Our API delivers nuanced insights from this data, returning sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and key thematic clusters for any topic you're tracking. Imagine leveraging this to fine-tune your investment strategies or product developments in the renewable sector, aligning your projects with real-time public sentiment. For more details on how to integrate this data into your applications, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.